National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Devon County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, southwestern Clayton County in north central Texas until 2 p.m. At 10:52 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a cluster of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1/2 inch can't be expected, and flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Plano, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Olney, Sherman, The Colony, Saxe, Little Elm, Murphy, Prosper, Anna, Bellevue, Princeton, Saline, Lucas, and Parker. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.